Mujo Learning Systems is an independent publisher of marketing, business, and AI curriculum for higher education classes. At Mujo, we like to take an unbiased approach to our curriculum. We don't focus simply on Google or Facebook. We like to expose students to as many platforms as possible to prepare them for what's being used in the field today. Students and teachers love our continual curriculum development process. We frequently update our content using subject matter experts who make recommendations to our in-house team of writers to ensure that students are learning what would be applicable if they were to get a job today. Topics like social media and AI are so rapidly evolving that we do all the work so that your instructors can focus on simply teaching the students. All of our titles include many integrated activities, discussions, and case studies, and they also include a hands-on project that gets students using real platforms, which is really great for developing their job-ready skills. We currently have a 24 textbook library covering a wide range of topics in digital marketing, business, and AI applications. Visit our website to see all of our titles and request your free instructor sample copy today.